Hi, in this video we will discuss about Mangalore University 4th Sem BCA Computer Graphics and Animation Lab Part C programs. Program 4. Write a program to implement Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Here we are going to use two methods or two functions, a clipping function and an outcode function, which is going to decide the code for the line endpoints. And I'm also going to keep my window as fixed, and this can be automatically drawn by using these values. So we'll get the endpoints input for the line endpoints x1, y1, x2, y2, and we will call the clipping function. From clipping function we are going to call this outcode function. So what is this outcode? Imagine this is your window, and if the line is drawn like this, if the endpoint is inside the particular window, the code is going to be 0, 0, 0. So if it is on left hand side, the first bit is going to be 0. Right hand side means the next bit is going to be 0. Second bit is going to be 0. This is for first bit. Second bit is 0. And if it is in the bottom, we say the third bit is 0. If it is on the top, the fourth bit is 0. To generate this, we are going to check with our window boundary. I am using a variable temp, and I say if x is less than x left, it means it is on the left hand side, means I am going to say temp is equal to temp or 1. So temp is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Initially it is all zeros. When I say 1, it is going to do OR operation with 1. So I will be getting 0, 0, 0, 1. If x is greater than x right, it means if it is on the right hand side, I will do the same thing with 0, 0, 0, 0. Binary value of 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. So the window value will become 0, 0, 1, 0. Like this. If it is 4, the third bit will be set to 1. If it is 8 means the fourth bit, that is the top, means fourth bit will be set to 1. Like this, we can generate the code for both the endpoints using this outcode function. Now, in clipping, we are going to get the input of both the endpoints x1, y1, x2, y2, and we are going to generate the code for both the endpoints. That is, code 1 is equal to outcode of x1, y1. Code 2 is equal to outcode of x2, y2. Then I am going to calculate the slope, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And I'll perform the AND operation of code 1 and code 2. If the AND operation is non-zero, we say the line is completely outside and we will return. If code 1 is equal to 0, then we have to check only for code 2. If not, we have to check for code 1. So we'll just check the code 1, check and 1. That is, we have to check which particular bit is set to 1. As I said, when you say 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, that is left. If it is 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, that is right. When it is 4, it is 0, 1, 0, 0, that is bottom. When it is 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, that is top. So you want to decide which particular bit is set to 1. So I am performing AND operation of 1 to decide whether it is with the intersecting with the left window. If the particular line segment is intersecting with the left window, I say x is equal to x left, and I calculate only my y value. That is, we know the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. So here I am going to say, when you substitute the intercept value, that become y1, that is y is equal to y1 plus, we know the slope, already we have calculated here, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and we just find the value difference of x left minus x1. That's what we have to do. That is, if it is intersecting with the left window. If it is 2, that is right window, means x is equal to x right and y is equal to y1 plus m into, instead of x left you have to put x right here, x right minus 1. If it is AND operation with 4, that is bottom, means y value is equal to y bottom. We calculate x value. Only difference is we have to put 1 by m, that is x is equal to x1 plus 1 by m into y bottom minus y1. So if it is with the bottom window, you have to put y bottom here. Right window means x right here. Here, if it is top window, y is equal to y top, x is equal to x1 plus y top minus y1 divided by m. So we can get very easily the intersecting points. And if check 1 is equal to 0, we say x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y, and code 1 is equal to out code of x comma y. Because if it is equal to code 1, then you have to repeat it for the new point. Else check is equal to code 2, we say x2 is equal to x, y2 is equal to y, and code 2 is equal to out code of x comma y. And once we get the new clipped line segment, we just clear the device. Once again we draw the window and we set the color to yellow and we draw the new line. This is the algorithm. So if you give input, that is 100, 200, 250, 250, this is your x1, y1, and this is your x2, y2. Since it intersects with the window, left window, we will be able to clip the line and the output will be like this. Even if a line intersects with more than one window boundary, so that is 180, 100 is on the top left and this is on the bottom 300, 320, we can clip the line segment using this algorithm. We'll get the output like this. So you can try your own points, but make sure it is inside or outside the window boundary and cross check your answers. Happy coding!